What if I told you that a simple tea could boost your immunity, reduce inflammation, and even support healthy blood sugar levels? Stick around to uncover the amazing benefits of Guyabano leaves tea. 1. Boosts immunity. Guyabano. Leaves contain vitamin C and antioxidants that help strengthen the immune system, making the body more resistant to infections and diseases. 2. Supports cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that Guyabano leaves have anti-cancer properties due to their acetogenins, which may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. However, more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness in humans. 3. Reduces inflammation and pain. The tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve arthritis, joint pain, and other inflammatory conditions. 4. Aids digestion. Guyabano leaves tea can promote healthy digestion by helping to eliminate toxins, reducing bloating, and preventing constipation. 5. Regulates blood sugar. Some research suggests that Guyabano leaves may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. 6. Promotes better sleep and reduces stress. The tea has calming effects that can help reduce stress, anxiety, and insomnia, promoting better sleep quality.